movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports, all in your Amazon Fire TV stick. Check out this new build. So in order to do this, let's just head to the search icon and we can pull down into the search. We're going to download one application, Downloader. So we can just type in D and it comes up right here automatically populated, downloaded, one word. You may need to type out the whole word. Just click on it. This orange icon here, download it and install it onto your device. Now, once it's downloaded, we don't open it quite yet. Use the home button on our remote. We can head all the way down to the settings icon. So highlight settings and come down and highlight My Fire TV. If you have an older stick, it may say My Device. It may be down here. So highlight My TV or My Device. Here it gives you a menus option. As you can tell, I have developer options listed. You may not. So highlight About and then highlight Fire TV Stick, or yours may say 4K. And just use your center button on your remote about 7 to 10 times. And then look at this, no need, you're already a developer. So congratulations, you are now 2. Going back out 1. Developer options is now listed. We can just select on it. ADB debugging, we can select it to turn it on. And then highlight install unknown apps, select it. Look for Downloader and turn that on. This now enables Downloader to sideload applications onto our Amazon Fire TV Stick or device that aren't from the Amazon App Store. So now that that's on, we can go back to the home screen. We can now find Downloader and open it up. So Downloader is going to be the little 3 squares plus sign. We can click on that and come down and click on the orange icon and open it up. Now, a downloader does need permissions to access photos, media, and files on our device. So just click Allow. Here's a quick start guide where you can click OK. Downloader works just like a web browser, and we can enter any URL. Like for the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a shortcut for you, and it's way quicker. We can just go in, highlight it, and it brings up this keyboard. And we can type in our shortcut, which is 370178. And we just come down and click Go. And this will redirect that code right to the Led by the Unknown website. Guys, while we're here, share this with a friend. I'm sure everyone would like to see what it's got going on now. Once the page is loaded, if we use our 3-line button on our remote, we can add this page to our favorites. Now it's saved here under the favorites menu for us to use in the future for other applications. We can hit save. Now our remote just works just like a mouse. We can go up in the little red circle. It goes up, down, right, and left. So we're here to find Kodi. Let's head down. Guys, get yourself the latest Black Friday deal. Secure your online activity. Scan this QR code and get yourself a great discount on IPVanish today. Secure your Amazon Fire TV Stick or all your devices in your home. It is the utmost important for your online activity. For our best apps for 2025, we have Kodi right here up front, the latest version. We can click on it and it'll automatically start downloading it to our device. Click Install to allow Kodi to install into our device. It installs the application. Once the app is installed, we can just go down, highlight Done, and then we need to delete the installation file. So click Delete and click Delete. Let's go to the home screen, find these applications on our device. We head all the way back, 3 squares plus sign, and come down. The last app we download ends up at the very bottom of our list. So guys, Kodi, I'm going to push the 3-line button on here. It comes up with this menu of options. We move it to the front. And I'm going to do the same with downloader. I'm just going to push move. So I want it kind of beside it. And then of course, protect our online activity. Click on IP Vanish and move it up there also. So now on our home screen, these apps are front and center for us to use. Let's open up Kodi. Yes, continue, allow. This is the first run, takes a few moments for it to install. Basic Kodi here. No bells, no whistles. First thing we need to do, head up to the little settings icon, click on it, and then we're going to come down under Systems, click on Systems, and then we'll come down to Add-ons. Slide over on Add-ons, highlight Unknown Sources, and turn that on, and say Yes. So we back out. Now we're going to need to go to File Manager, click on File Manager, and here we're going to type in Add Source, because I have a link for you to type in. And here, guys, we just click this, and it brings up a keyboard for us to use. For you to follow, copy it to the T, no extra spaces or anything, or this won't work very well. So this starts off with HTTPS. And then we need a colon. So it shows a semicolon. In order to get a colon, just come down to the little shift button and we get a colon. We click the colon, so now we have HTTPS : // Remember, type this exactly as it is. No extra digits. If it's 99% of the reason why this doesn't work is because this doesn't get typed in properly. All right, then we'll just go over and click OK. Now it does have a name for us. This is what it's called. We'll click OK. So we're good for this part. So we can back out one. And now we're going to want to highlight add-ons and click on it. We're going to come down to Install from Zip. We'll click Digs. We'll use the repository or highlight the repository. As you can tell. And then now we're going to install from the repository. Highlight Digs. And then Program Add-ons, click on it. And this gives us the Chef wizard to select. And yes, click Install. Now during this time, it may take a few moments for you. Your device may do funny things, flash on and off, black screen not. It might take a few moments, but don't worry. Wait until you get this screen, and once you do, so here we can just click the button. Yes, we would. So click yes. For the majority of us, we're going to use the free version. But we just hit the Xenon free and click on it. Yes, and continue. Depending on your network speed, depending on where you live, this may take a while. It may take 5-10 minutes. It shouldn't. As you can tell, this is going very quickly. So please, like and subscribe to this channel. If you have a friend who you know would love this on their device, please send it to them. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me out by wanting to share more of these videos with you. And this is kind of where it takes some time, because there is, as you can tell, quite a few things it's trying to do. Please, if you have any questions, throw them in the chat. If there's anything else you want to look at, there is a bunch of information in the description below of this video. And like always, I'm very thankful for you for watching this video and helping out. There. Now it finally says it's done. Wait for the OK. So click to force close Kodi. We're going to say OK. Now we've gone back to the home screen. Now we reopen Kodi. Got to do its initial start again. Should take a few moments, especially since we just had a movies, TV shows, live TV. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. But check it out. Follow along. Make sure you put in the right URL. Please give me a subscribe and a like. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. And enjoy. Peace and happy streaming.